Good morning, children. We have done the chapter of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, we had done till that Bal Gangadhar had died and they had adopted a child. At that time only the Britishers had applied the doctrine of lapse. Okay, I had explained what is the meaning of doctrine of lapse. Okay, so we will continue from page 108. Okay, second column, last second paragraph. She experienced turbulence from all sides with Gangadhar's death, but the worst was the one at the hand of the British who wanted to snatch Jhansi from her. Lord Dalhousie, the then Governor General of India, with his expansionist policy of doctrine of lapse, aimed at Jhansi at the pretext that the ruler had died without a natural male heir. The British annexed her territory. Okay, she experienced turbulence from all sides means now no one was there. Okay, the female ruler was there, only the Rani was there, only the queen was there. Okay, Raja had died. So from all sides, everybody wanted to capture Jhansi. Okay, so at the death of Gangadhar, this was experienced. But the worst was the one at the hand of the British. Okay, now British की पॉलिसी क्या थी? डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स. डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स का क्या मतलब है कि अगर कोई भी किंगडम में ओके नेचुरल अगर कोई चाइल्ड नहीं हो तो वो सीधा ऑटोमेटिकली वो टेरिटरी सीधा ब्रिटिश के अंदर आ जाएगी. ओके, तो इन लोगों का भी नेचुरल तो कोई चाइल्ड नहीं था, उन लोग ने चाइल्ड को अडॉप्ट किया था. राइट, सो सीधा सीधा झांसी उन लोग ब्रिटिश को एनेक्स हो जाएगी. एनेक्स मतलब उसके अंडर आ जाएगी. ओके, The Rani was destined to fight against the unjust British rule. She found the opportune time when the revolt of 1857 broke out against the British rule. With a firm mindset and determination, her war cry, मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. Okay, so Rani was destined to fight. She was very determined. We had seen that thing. Okay, from the beginning, from the childhood, she was very determined fighter. Okay, so she got the opportunity at the time of revolt of 1857 कि हाँ किसी ने तो स्टार्ट किया ये रिवोल्ट, तो उसमें उसको भी ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल गई. So with a firm mindset and determination, okay, her cry was that मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. ये बहुत फेमस है ये लाइन कि I will not give my Jhansi to anybody, was nothing short of a challenge that she threw in front of the British. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest leaders of the revolt. With her son tugged on her back, she led the soldiers of Jhansi. She struggled long and hard, and the British found it tough to contain her might. Around 5,000 people were killed in the combat, and Lakshmi Bai, along with the rebels, escaped to Kalpi to join Tatya Tope. On 17th June 1858, Lakshmi Bai died fighting the forces of the British. Okay, so this line was like a challenge to Britishers that मैं अपनी झांसी किसी को नहीं दूंगी. Rani Lakshmi Bai was one of the greatest leader of the revolt. With her son tugged on her back, we have all seen this scene. Okay, कि उसके child को उसने अपने पीछे में बांध के रखा है और she is fighting. She led the soldiers of Jhansi. She struggled very hard. Okay, and she gave a tough challenge to Britishers. Many soldiers were killed. Okay, and Lakshmi Bai, along with the rebels, escaped to Kalpi to join Tatya Tope, but she died fighting the forces of the British on 17th June. She was remembered by the freedom fighters who inspired the masses with her gatha by singing खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. Okay, so how she is remembered as a freedom fighter who inspired the masses by the gatha means by this paragraph, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, मतलब she fought a man's war. She was the queen of Jhansi, and she indeed inspires even now, if not in body then in स्पिरिट. ओके, मतलब स्पिरिट में वो हमेशा सबको मोटिवेट करती रहती है. She still inspires with her gallant mindset and the courage with which she changed the way people thought of the woman. ओके, मतलब रानी लक्ष्मीबाई का जैसा कैरेक्टर था, ओके, वो देख के शी हैड चेंज द पीपल्स माइंड. ओके, जैसे पहले के ज़माने में, मतलब ओल्डन डेज में वुमन को जैसे देखते थे, वुमन के बारे में जैसा सोचते थे, ये रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने वो पूरा ही चेंज कर दिया. वो थिंकिंग ही पूरा चेंज कर दिया था. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई इज द एपिटम ऑफ वुमन एम्पावरमेंट, समवन हु इनकरेज्ड naturalness against norms and traditions, someone who led the largest woman army till date and proved that the struggle for independence was not only the man's affair. Okay, so Rani Lakshmibai एक epitome है. Okay, woman empowerment का मतलब वो एक example है, greatest example. Okay, someone who encouraged naturalness against norms and traditions. She led the largest woman army till date. Okay, मतलब अब तक किसी ने भी ऐसा woman army मतलब लीड नहीं किया है. That proved the struggle for independence was not only the man's affair. मतलब खाली मैन लोग का ही ये काम नहीं है फाइट करना, आर्मी लीड करना, ओके, लीडर बनना. मतलब ये वुमन भी कर सकती है. तो ये पूरा जो थिंकिंग था, ये पूरा जो थॉट था, ओके, जो एक माइंडसेट था ओल्डन डेज में, वो ये रानी लक्ष्मीबाई ने पूरा चेंज कर दिया था. ओके, सो सीइंग हर, ओके, मेनी वुमेन पावर वर ग्रोन अप. ओके, उसको देख के ही मतलब वुमेन लोग को मोटिवेशन मिलता था. राइट?